Parking lots take so much abuse. Sun, rain, ice, snow, traffic, the list goes on. Over the years, pavement breaks down and needs repaired. Utah Asphalt Company makes it easy. We work to assess your needs and develop a pavement maintenance plan that works. In the long haul, our solutions save you money. From asphalt paving and repair to concrete installation, Utah Asphalt Company utilizes cutting-edge technology to get the job done right and on time. Whether you need a new parking lot, concrete, sidewalks, or annual maintenance, Utah Asphalt Company is Utah's full-service pavement problem solver. As a family-owned company, we know time and money are valuable, and we're committed to extending the life of your pavement without damaging your bottom line. Build a lasting foundation with Utah Asphalt Company. Call us today for a free pavement analysis and estimate